You asked me a question about how to change fonts and maybe resize the fonts on your blogs. So instead of I doing and then probably you may not like it, or you may say, oh, I want different fonts and stuff like that. I think I should leave it for you to play with that. But I'm gonna show you in each blog basically what you do that to change the fonts, and it's very easy option to do it. So I'm gonna just show it to you. So first of all, you log in into your WordPress blog, and then you go into posts, click on edit post. It's easy. There are only 3 steps basically. So you click on edit post, and then click on this icon up here. Once you click in there, it show you all the other features in here. So basically you can change to whatever. Have a look in here. This is the size of the font. So what you do is you select the text example, and then you choose which one you want. So if you put it like that, if this is too big, then you can make it a little bit more smaller, something like that. This is too small, and then you do that. Even you can make it like this if you want to. So then you go the underline, you go all this other features. Basically you can add the color if you want into it. You can change whatever you like. Just keep playing around with this up here, the menu, the bar, and in the end just click on update, and that's it, you're done. So basically it's easy. First you select the text you want to, and then you choose the size of the font, and then you can add a color if you want to in title or whatever, and in the end just click on update. So that's all about it. It's not something so it's not hard basically to do that. And if you want to clear the formatting, basically just do it and clear the formatting by that. It should. Okay, special characters, you go other special characters in here. You can use something else if you want to, but I don't think you can need that. And this is, I think, yeah, it goes back to how it was before, so it's fine. And basically that's what I go in here. And now if you want this to put in a corner, you can put in a corner. If you want in the middle, you can do it in the middle or in the right hand side, up to you. So you go all that, and you can make it bold, italic bold if you want to, and all that. So in the end, whatever you do, basically, as you can see, this is much darker text than the rest basically. And you can even enlarge it a little bit more if you want to, so make it 4 instead of that. And then when you click on update, it was gonna change the text basically into much larger. So this is how you work with that. You ask about the another way is when you add a title, remember, and description in your post, you need to add the title and description in your SEO plugin. It's very important. This is what it says in here. Add the title. So add the title, you add the description, and you add keywords. It's very important to add keywords as well. Adding keywords in here, it will have this automated plugin basically, which is being downloaded by at least 2.5 million people. They have downloaded already this, or webmasters, and then it will help basically because this is a auto plugin which you will index based on whatever you give in here. If you give information about, I'm talking about on each post, I'm not saying just the website itself, it will do the post. So whenever you post something, just keep adding title, description, and keywords, and custom URL if you want to, but you don't really need to. And you go a couple of other options if you want to choose each of them. I believe you will understand what they exactly mean. And in the end, just click on update, and basically this, it will help to get your posts. I'm not talking about the website, the URL of website, but I'm talking about the post. It will help to get indexed better into search engines. This is a big help. It's like another person really working for you, always in autopilot. That's what it does. So that's about it, and I don't know what else I can do to be in this video for you. You asked me a question. You said full support till now. I've been supporting you in every way basically, and I hope you're happy with the work. So that's all about it. I'm gonna go and check for the updates on each of your blog. If all updates they are done, in this one they already done, so it's absolutely you are up to date with that. Sometimes you may need to go to the plugins and check for the updates. It will show up here, you know, and then it tells you which plugin needs updating. So far these are the themes, so you don't really need to, since you are using different theme, you don't need to update anything else in here. You can even remove them, these themes, because you don't need them. You already have a theme and your theme is this basically. So here they are. So let me just say I'm gonna go to the post very quickly and just change and see the size is going to be changed up here. So edit, and then for the fonts it's easy. You can just upload the plugin to each of the blocks, the plugin I gave you. If you're not sure, then just type in color fonts, I think is called WordPress plugin. Okay, yeah, is this one, is the first one. It says no need of coding or anything else. As you can see, it's wordpress.org / then plugins then / font. So if you go up here with the same URL, then you come up to here and then you download this one. Once you download, check this out. Once you download, you save it into your computer. Come up here and just to the plugins and click on add new plugin, and then you can click on upload plugin. You browse where is your plugin located to, and here it is, the font 7.5, you know, that's the latest one. You click on open and then you click on install. I will install it for you just now because it won't damage or anything, it will just be there. And then you click on activate plugin. That's all you need. So now it's just waiting to be activated. And plugin is activated so far. And then always when you log in into this blog, you click on go to your home page, and then you start making changes. So you click on font settings always, as I mentioned. Click on that icon and then just go into the title. Mention a name, just demo, like title. Stay on the page. You drag and drop whatever you want to, as you can see yourself, and you can resize as well if you want to. You got the style of the text how you want to, but I don't really suggest from those effects. Add new effect. You can change the color if you want, the color of the title, and it's got this size, and it has the fonts as well. They are free fonts from here. Not a lot of them, but they got some. But if you don't want to use this plugin, again, you got the option which I mentioned in the first place, and the option was from your WordPress. Basically, you can change it there. Right, so once again, now we have it up here, or you can go even from your post, and then it will show even within your post, and then just click on F. It will show in your post. Change whatever you want to, and you know, that's all you need basically. Pick any elements, so then you pick any element. So if you don't want to use that, again, you can use the paragraph in here, which is right up here. So that's all about this video. Hope it helps. Thanks.